Okay guys, we're going to black out these chrome tips. Not really a fan of it, and it will definitely go with what it is that I'm trying to do in the back here, the blacked out look. So the first step is actually washing it, and I'm not going to go through the whole washing process because, let's face it, we all know how to wash a damn tip, and I don't like trying to do this with one hand. Alright guys, so to eliminate any kind of overspray or anything like that, you tape off the area that you don't want, obviously, overspray to hit, and make sure you protect your paint job. I use paper towel because any overspray just gets soaked up into it. So, you know, I see a lot of people use newspaper and such, but I am using Plasti dip, so if there happens to be any kind of mess up or overspray, I can clean it up with relative ease. Alright guys, I have a couple of layers on there. I'll do one more, and then we're going to see how they look. This is the final result here. I think it looks friggin' great. Very subtle. No chrome, guys. No chrome. Definitely looks awesome.